In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use ChatGPT to analyze your competitors' audiences and improve your marketing message. The goal here is simple. Instead of guessing who your competitors are speaking to, you'll use AI to organize what's already visible and turn it into clearer audience insights. This can help you sharpen your positioning, refine your messaging, and spot opportunities in the market. Start by opening ChatGPT and making a list of your main competitors. Try to include the businesses that are most relevant to what you offer. It helps to focus on direct competitors first, meaning companies that solve a similar problem for a similar type of customer. Once you have that list, give ChatGPT a little context about each one. Add details about their product or service, their niche, and, if helpful, their website. The more specific your input is, the more useful the output will be. You're giving the AI enough information to make a stronger assessment instead of a vague one. Next, ask ChatGPT to identify each competitor's likely target audience. This is where things start to get more strategic. You're not just looking for a broad label like small business owners or fitness enthusiasts. You want a clear picture of who they are, probably trying to attract based on their offers, messaging, and positioning. After that, ask for deeper audience insights. Have ChatGPT break down likely demographics, common pain points, major goals, and core interests. This gives you a more complete view of the audience behind each competitor. Pain points tell you what problems people are trying to solve, goals reveal what outcomes they want, and interests can hint at tone, content style, and buying behavior. Then compare these audiences across multiple competitors. This step is important because patterns begin to emerge. You may notice that several competitors are all targeting the same type of person in a very similar way, or you might see differences in age, priorities, budget level, or experience level. From there, ask ChatGPT to identify gaps or underserved groups. These are the segments that may not be getting enough attention in the current market. This is often where strong positioning opportunities come from, especially if your brand can serve those people in a more specific or compelling way. Use everything you find to improve your own marketing message. Adjust your wording, your value proposition, and the way you speak to customer problems and goals so your message feels more relevant and distinct. Finally, verify these insights with real market research. AI is great for organizing and interpreting information, but it should support your strategy, not replace direct validation. Check reviews, customer interviews, surveys, and actual market data to confirm what's most accurate. That's how you turn AI insights into smarter marketing decisions.